Our universe exists and evolves as a unified entity. And it's not an entity, it's not a reality that is solely materialistic. In fact, we could argue that it's not materialistic at all. That instead of us having a mind and consciousness, we are mind and consciousness, as is the whole world. So our universe we're discovering, and these are based on scientific discoveries.
What if everything we perceive as reality, the ground beneath our feet, the stars above, and the very fabric of our lives, was a vast illusion? This is not the plot of a sci-fi movie, but a radical idea explored by Dr. Jude Currivan, a quantum physicist and cosmologist who invites us to reimagine the universe. Currivan's work is reshaping the boundaries of science and consciousness, suggesting that the universe may be a kind of cosmic hologram. This concept might sound surreal, but it's grounded in cutting-edge discoveries in quantum physics. Imagine looking at a hologram on a credit card. A flat surface somehow generates a three-dimensional image that appears to pop out at you. Now imagine the entire universe operates in a similar way. According to the holographic principle, the universe we perceive in 3 dimensions may actually be a projection from a 2-dimensional surface. This theory, supported by research on black holes, suggests that all information within the cosmos could be encoded on a surface or boundary, projecting the 3-dimensional reality we experience. The implications of this theory are mind-bending. If true, then everything around us, from galaxies to tiny particles, may not be solid in the way we imagine. Instead, we might be part of a cosmic hologram, an extraordinary phenomenon that seems solid and real, but is, in essence, an elaborate projection. Currivan's journey into the mysteries of the universe started early. As a child in a small mining town in northern England, she experienced an unusual sensitivity to the world around her. Currivan's early life was marked by extraordinary experiences such as telepathy, out-of-body sensations, and vivid premonitory dreams. These experiences led her to explore the nature of consciousness, which she now believes plays a fundamental role in the structure of the universe. But what does this mean? Traditionally, consciousness was viewed as a byproduct of the human brain, an internal experience unique to sentient beings. However, Currivan's view is that consciousness is woven into the very fabric of the cosmos. It is not just something we have, but something we are intricately connected to, a universal force that we contribute to and that shapes reality. According to her, each of us is an active participant in this cosmic hologram, influencing and shaping it with our thoughts and actions. The science supporting the holographic universe theory is rooted in quantum mechanics. Black hole research, for instance, has shown that when an object falls into a black hole, the information it contains is not lost, but rather preserved on the surface. This groundbreaking discovery challenges the traditional view that information is destroyed within a black hole and opens up new questions about the very nature of reality. The holographic theory suggests that just as the surface of a black hole retains information about everything that falls into it, so too might the entire universe retain information on a vast surface. This encoded information could then be projected into the 3-dimensional reality we perceive. Currivan uses this concept to explain the mysterious interconnectedness that physicists and mystics alike have long observed. One of the most provocative aspects of the holographic universe theory is the suggestion that the lines between mind and matter are not as clear-cut as they seem. If the universe is a hologram, then consciousness itself might be an integral part of this projection, blurring the boundaries between the observer and the observed. From this perspective, every thought, every decision, and every action could influence the very fabric of space and time. It's a perspective that invites us to rethink the nature of our own existence. Currivan suggests that we are both projections within this hologram and projectors, co-creating reality through our consciousness. This is a radical departure from the traditional view of a passive, materialistic universe and places each of us in a dynamic role as co-creators of the cosmos. The idea of interconnectedness is a key theme in Currivan's work. The holographic theory proposes that every part of the universe is connected to every other part. Just as a piece of a hologram contains the full image, every particle in the universe may hold information about the whole. Imagine that the universe is like a vast cosmic ocean, and each of us is a drop within it. Although we experience life as individual beings, our existence is deeply entwined with the larger cosmic web. This perspective suggests that separateness is an illusion, a product of our limited perception. In truth, we are inextricably linked to everything around us, an insight that has profound implications for our relationships with ourselves, each other, and the natural world. Currivan's view of time and space is equally revolutionary. Einstein's theory of relativity showed that time and space are not separate entities but are woven together in a cosmic web. Building on this, Currivan suggests that time is not a straight line, but more like a vast, fluid ocean. In this cosmic ocean, every moment is a reflection of the whole, interconnected and constantly flowing. For us, experiencing time as linear and sequential is like observing only the surface waves of this ocean. However, there is a deeper current, a constant rhythm that connects all cosmic events and experiences. By attuning to this rhythm through mindfulness or meditation, Currivan believes we can access a different experience of time, one that aligns with the flow of the universe. So, what does it mean to live in a holographic universe? Currivan suggests that recognizing ourselves as part of a cosmic hologram can transform our lives. One way to explore this is through conscious observation. By focusing our attention on an everyday object, like a flower or a stone, we can begin to perceive its connection to the whole. Observing it as an expression of the universe, we may start to sense a deeper interconnection between ourselves and everything else. Dr. Jude Currivan's concept of keeping a purpose journal is a transformative practice that invites us to align our actions with the greater cosmic flow. By writing down moments where we feel a sense of purpose or connection to something beyond our immediate environment, we begin to notice patterns that reveal the deeper meaning behind our experiences. This act of reflection helps us understand how our individual lives intersect with the larger, interconnected universe. Over time, we may recognize how seemingly small actions or decisions contribute to a bigger cosmic narrative. The Purpose Journal not only provides clarity about our unique role in the grand scheme of things, but also encourages us to act with greater awareness, intentionality, and mindfulness. As we observe these patterns, we begin to synchronize our actions with the universal rhythm, fostering a deeper sense of peace, purpose, and alignment with the cosmic whole. We are at a pivotal moment in human history, as the old materialistic worldview gives way to a more holistic understanding of the universe. This shift is supported by discoveries in quantum physics and cosmology, which reveal a universe far more interconnected and alive than previously imagined. This new vision of reality opens doors to personal transformation. By embracing a perspective of universal compassion, we can see every person and living being as an expression of the same cosmic consciousness. Such a worldview can radically change our approach to life's challenges, allowing us to find more harmonious solutions to complex problems. It invites us to embrace empathy, understanding, and collaboration as we navigate our shared reality. At its core, Currivan's work challenges us to consider our own role in the creation of reality. If consciousness is fundamental to the structure of the universe, then each of us has a unique and vital role to play. We are both creatures and creators in this vast cosmic drama, shaping and being shaped by the universal consciousness. To explore this role, Currivan suggests a practice of mindful awareness. By observing how our thoughts and actions influence the world around us, we can begin to see ourselves as active participants in the cosmic hologram. Each of us has the power to shape the future, not through grand gestures, but through the subtle choices we make every day. The holographic universe theory is not just an abstract concept, it offers a powerful framework for understanding our place in the cosmos. By viewing ourselves as both part of the cosmic hologram and co-creators within it, we can embrace a life of purpose and meaning. This perspective bridges the gap between science and spirituality, providing a new way of seeing ourselves and the universe. As we stand on the threshold of this new era, Currivan invites us to look within and reflect on our connection to the cosmos. How will you incorporate this vision into your life? Will you explore the depths of your own consciousness and its relationship to the universe? Or will you seek to deepen your sense of purpose and compassion, knowing that your actions ripple through the cosmic fabric? The journey into understanding the cosmic hologram is just beginning, and each of us holds a piece of the puzzle. Together, we can awaken to a reality more vibrant, interconnected, and alive than we ever imagined. And in doing so, we may find that the answers to life's greatest mysteries are already within us, waiting to be discovered.